Hi, I'm Susan. I'm going to tell you about the best low-carb peanut butter chocolate smoothie. You take a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, one scoop of chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, and some ice. Blend it up really well. You want that whipping cream to get thick, and it's just so good. Now this makes enough for 2, and I like these jars because I can close one up and have it for the next day. While I pour, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified. Stick a straw in it, give it a try, and it is so good and creamy. It's like drinking a milkshake. Until next time, bye y'all.